How to recover an unsaved document in Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. First, open the application and create a new blank document. For this example, we are using Microsoft Word, but the same steps apply for Excel and PowerPoint too. Go to the top left corner of the application and click on the File menu. From the list of options on the left, select Info. From the new options, select the Manage Documents drop-down list, and then select Recover Unsaved Documents. A new dialog box will open with a list of previously unsaved documents. Select the document you're looking for and click Open. When the selected document opens, you will see an information banner at the top of the page with a Save As button. Click the Save As button and save your document.
If you have any issues, please call us at 615-499-7801.